32, Jesus meets a centurion soldier with a sick servant. This soldier tells Jesus, "There's no need for you to come to my house. Simply send the word and he will be healed." This means that healing can be sent to different cities, to different nations, simply by your words. When God created the universe, he used one tool. He spoke, and all of reality snapped into place. This means that words are the greatest vehicle for change on this earth. How have you changed someone else's life? By the words you've spoken. How are you shaping the reality you live in? By the words you speak. What have you decreed and declared over your children? Remember, the power of death and life reside in the tongue. So speak life over yourself, your nation, your leaders. Have the best week of your life.